26th January 2025 will remain the most remarkable day of my life. As being the chief guest of this wonderful occasion, I have witnessed outstanding demonstrations of excellence today, and I congratulate all the participants, their teachers, their mentors for coming up with wonderful demonstrations, especially in the form of March Past. The energy, the enthusiasm, the discipline symbolize the bright future of Ajmal Group of Institutions, and of course, the bright future of our wonderful nation, India. We are very fortunate today to be celebrating 76th Republic Day, and fortunate are the individuals who are living in independent nations, and India is an independent nation. Any nation that is independent but has no constitution cannot progress, and India is independent and has wonderful constitution, and that is why India is progressing, and India is one of the best nations in the world. It's a very big nation. It's not so easy to compete with the rest of the nations, but India is land of opportunities. India is land of possibilities, and India, I must say, is developing. India is progressing. India is flourishing, and it can flourish by leaps and bounds, but it is in the hands of today's youth. And I appeal to the Prime Minister of India and all the Chief Ministers of their respective states and the governors of the Union Territories to provide the youngsters of India with platforms, with opportunities, because Indian youngsters have tremendous amount of energy, and if they are given opportunities and platforms, they can take India to great heights. And we have seen in the past, and even today, if you see the CEOs, especially Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft, Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google. They are the CEOs of the world big companies, and they are from India. As India has over 140 plus crore population, and 50% of the Indian population is the youth. India's future is in the hands of today's youth. You wonderful students, you have that potential to take India to great heights. If you really want to see India shine across the globe, then you have to roll your sleeves up and do wonders, as you have demonstrated today wonderfully well. With the same spirit, if you do things in your life, especially in academics, then I can say you can take India to great heights, and you can take India to the culmination of success. It's totally in the hands of the youngsters, the school-going students, the college-going students, the university-going students. Many people are under the impression that the power is in the hands of politicians. Yes, it is. They do have power. They have influence. But the youngsters, I appeal to all the youngsters across the nation, you must realize you are blessed with immense energy. You are blessed with a lot of power. You must realize the greatness of the power you are blessed with, but you have to showcase the power in the right direction. And before you showcase the power to the world, to the nation, you have to spend a lot of time with the teachers developing your career. The biggest challenge you have today is your career. As I mentioned, India is a very big nation with over 140 crore population, and 50% of the Indian population is the youth, and they have great challenge. But you can overcome the challenges only with discipline, dedication, determination, and importantly, excellence in academics. But unfortunately, majority of the youngsters today are going in the wrong direction. They are showing a lot of interest in social media, and many are engaged in different illegal activities. You have wonderful opportunities in India. You can fulfill your dreams. You can reach your goals, and you need to be very disciplined for that. As a personality development trainer, I have come across many parents. When they approach me for counseling, they come up with tears in their eyes, pain in their hearts. They say they were happy when they were blessed with children, but after 10-15 years, they are very much worried about their own children. And majority of the youngsters today are making their parents cry. Every second, parent is worried today about their children. You're not supposed to make your parents cry. In fact, you're supposed to make your parents proud. Majority of the youngsters are going in the wrong direction. They have to seek the right direction. If they have dreams in their lives, they can really achieve, because India is blessed with wonderful teachers. You can see the right example is here, Ajmal Group of Institutions. It is blessed with wonderful teachers. In a span of just 7 years, Ajmal Group of Institutions, especially Ajmal Super 40, has shown its mettle by producing rather future doctors, about 450 young boys and girls. They cracked one of the tough exams, that is NEET, one of the tough exams, JEE. They are easily able to crack such tough exams, and the credit goes to the visionary leaders of Ajmal Group of Institution, the visionary leaders, Maulana Badruddin Ajmal Sahab and MLA Sirajuddin Ajmal Sahab, and the wonderful director Dr. Khasrul Islam sir, and the general manager Dr. Azad, and the team associated with AjmalFoundation and Ajmal Group of Institutions. If any school child has a dream to do wonders in academics, dream to become doctors, dream to become bureaucrats, dream to become engineers, dream to become advocates, then you have wonderful platform that is being established by AjmalFoundation. It's a blessed land and students have opportunities. In the coming years, I would say AjmalFoundation in fact will progress by leaps and bounds. Here I can see lots of students, they have stepped into the phase of teenage. It's a crucial phase, a phase of 7 years. This phase can make you and break you. It is up to you how you manage these 7 years. These 7 years are very crucial for you. Make sure you spend time with visionary students, with disciplined students, with determined students. And if you spend time with them, it would be very easy for you to achieve your goals. If you pick friendship with the individuals who are hopeless, who are aimless, who are addicted to social media, who are addicted to drugs, then you have no career. You're going to face lots of challenges in your life. So better take a decision today that you have to excel in your life. You have to make your parents proud. You have to make your teachers proud. You have to make our nation proud. Thank you for inspiring all of us. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.